We're in the process of doing a complete kitchen remodel, including some structural alterations. All the X's that you see here in this picture are going to be removed. They're part of the structural load-bearing walls that are going to be eliminated and taken off. We are now complete with our demolition. All the cabinetry, countertops, appliances, and fixtures have been removed, getting us ready for the next phase of the project. This is showing installation of anchor bolt for a hold down that's going to go in place to hold a structural post carrying a beam up above, which basically carries all the load that used to be resting on top of a load-bearing wall that's now been removed and opened up. We are now done with all the structural alterations. All the structural members are in, overhead beams, posts, anchors. Everything has been installed and inspected, getting us ready for the next phase, which is all the electrical and basically the concealed parts of the project, such as plumbing, electrical installation, and so on. We're now into cabinetry phase of the project, starting with our lower cabinets installations, working our way to uppers, installing the custom wet bar, the island, or any other accessories that needs to go in place. We want to make sure everything is done properly and exactly the way it was designed and planned from the beginning. And here is the final product. Basically completed everything. The entire project has been finished exactly and according to our customer's design and how everything has been planned for from the beginning. All the fixtures have been installed, connected, and tested, making sure everything has been running and going for our final inspection.